Yeah, so this is the demo of our hack, that is the QKGP, that is the institute level doubt forum that we have created. So initially I am logging in with a username, and we have saved some usernames and passwords in our database. So I'm using one to get inside. So we have logged in. So now this is our home page. Here we can post any doubt, like here there is we get the welcome user and there is a home profile. So first we'll go to the home page, which is the automatic page that comes up when a user logs in, and here he can post any doubt, like I have a doubt, and if he has some soft copy in his machine, so he can also upload that, like this. Yeah, so we have uploaded one, and we can also filter the question according to the subjects, and here since the subject is electrical, so I have filtered it and I submitted. So I have posted one question in the QKGP forum, and now next up is my threads. Now in my threads, the question appears in the chronological order, the latest first. Like I had posted the explain three phase just now, so it came here, and the attachment will also be there. A few minutes back I had posted another question, please explain three phase, so again it was there. So you can watch the attachment here. Yeah, like this. Again, now I want now a few hours back I had posted a question, what is partial derivative, and some of my friends had answered to that question, and see, I have got some answers. So basically I get easy, quick and reliable solutions to it. Next up, I go to all threads tab. Here suppose I have interest in physics, so I can go to the physics tab, I can select the physics journal, and when I go inside I will get all the questions posted in physics by all the users.
Explain the details.
Now, when I go to mathematics, I get the mathematics questions. These are questions posted by all the users that are now presently registered in QKG. And then if we go in one question, I can also see the answers posted to the questions. No reply has been posted. So I can post a reply here, like how to calculate integral. Just I will take the answer, take the limits, and I submit. So I have successfully posted my answer. Again, when I go here and I yeah, yeah, so my answer is present, take the limits. Again, I can also again see the attachment attached by the user, that is Vishal Sankra. And now finally there is a profile tab. Here I can anytime change my change my credentials. I can edit my profile, I can upload a new image, I can do anything. Like when I go here, there are some options here, like changing my semester because it changes every 6 months, and then if any department changes there, any contact number change, I can do that. So yeah, yeah, we can change the even the profile picture here by using choose file. And then, so this is all about QKGP, the home page. And then when we log out, so yeah, we are done. So logged out. So we again get back to the index page.